Thank you, sir. Kindly take your seats in the auditorium as we are going to watch a video about the project. It's rightly said that Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, take us from darkness to light. It's an auspicious occasion as one of the greatest festivals of India has commenced from today, Festival of Lights, victory of good over evil, and a message that we must eradicate darkness with light. Likewise, may Goa and Goikars become healthy. All the efforts by Government of Goa through Directorate of Health Services to give best health facilities to all the people of Goa become fruitful. May we kindly watch video on this project.
Hello dear doctors. Sushagad, relax. Deep breath in and exhale. And again, Sushagad. Welcome to a new day of new promises and new possibilities. We, the doctors and paramedical staff, are often seen calming our patients and their relatives down, putting our best efforts for their diagnosis and treatment, and only we know what goes into the follow-up visits. We happily strive to serve even the last mile patients, making sure that everybody is attended to. The pressure of reaching out to the maximum can be daunting. Accessible technology and readily available medicine assure people of a healthy life. Yet, a dedicated time from a well-qualified and well-meaning doctor is still a precious thing. After all, what's healthcare without a doctor anyway? Ideally, all stakeholders in any process should be treated with equity. In a bid to fulfill professional responsibilities, have we not overlooked our own health? The days of going without food and sound sleep, the many instances when we have said no to family vacations and occasions. Being compassionate human beings, we don't mind it. We like going beyond the call of duty. But sometimes, just sometimes, don't we wish there was a time when we could rest Sushagad? Sushagad? Now that's what Goa is famous for. So here it is, the most awaited initiative of the Government of Goa, digital platform of telemedicine. Government of Goa happily brings you a platform that will bridge the gap between doctors' availability and patients' needs. Much safer, reliable, and in sync with today's progressive times, this platform eliminates many of the unproductive occurrences. Doctors can now attend to patients through video consultation from anywhere at any time. This means no more crowded hospitals, and further, decongested space means happier work environments. The primary video consultation will enable you to decide the treatment course, or if needed, refer the patient to the respective specialty. You can also delegate the work to other doctors. That means only critical and complex cases will be heading to the hospitals, making hospital environment physically a lot safer, especially given the present COVID times. Since the doctor's undivided and timely attention will only be given to complex cases, many more lives will be saved. Higher number of cases will be easily managed without reaching the state of complexity. This digital platform will optimize the capacity of primary healthcare centers in Goa, providing peace of mind, physical and emotional well-being, and more free time at hand for our doctors and healthcare workers. This initiative is a result of the vision of Honorable Minister of Road Transport and Highway, Shri Nitin Gadkari ji, and under his guidance this project is implemented for the medical fraternity of Nagpur and highly acknowledged by many states' chief ministers. We thank our beloved Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Shri Pramod Sawant, and our able and caring Health Minister of Goa, Shri Vishwajit Rane. Without their visionary steps and active involvement, this feat would not have been possible. We appreciate and thank the leadership team who conceived and executed this initiative for the betterment of the people of Goa. Government of Goa, in association with medical experts, is happy to dedicate this digital platform of telemedicine to the citizens and doctors of Goa.
A kind request to Honorable Gadkari ji to inaugurate the telemedicine digital platform by clicking the button on wireless handheld slide changer. Thank you. I'm pleased to invite all the dignitaries on the dais for the formal program, and I would like to request Dean GMC Professor Dr. S.M. Bandekar to escort all the dignitaries on the dais. Yet another request to Dr. Bandekar to welcome the gathering. Dr. Bandekar.
Honorable Minister for Transport and Highways, Government of India, Shri Nitin Gadkari ji, Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant ji, Honorable Health Minister of Goa, Shri Vishwajit Rane ji, respected Secretary Health, Shri Rajshekhar, Dheeraj Sharma, who has been our kind support for this digital platform, Honorable MLA Antonio Fernandez, and Shri Francis Silvera, my colleague, Director of Health Services, Dr. Ira Almeida, senior faculty members, heads of department, medical students, press, media, ladies and gentlemen. आजचा दिवस गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजच्या इतिहासात सोनेरी अक्षराने लिहिला जाईल. Basically, we have with us Nitin Gadkari ji, who is a pioneer in innovations in this country. I remember 2 years back in Nagpur when people used to take human rickshaws in that 50 degrees of temperature. He was a person who converted all those human rickshaws into mechanized rickshaws, and all over the country I think there were crores of beneficiaries of this conversion. This was the biggest innovation that this country saw at the hands of Honorable Nitin Gadkari ji. As far as our road infrastructure goes, you must have seen it's at the best, and under his leadership you must have seen the roads are of international standards. And sir, today we are blessed with your presence in this great institute, the oldest medical college of Asia, with your innovative idea of starting telemedicine with digital platform. I welcome you, sir, to this institute on behalf of all my doctors and the government of Goa. Our Honorable Chief Minister, he is a person who ignited this concept 2 weeks back, and today with his action we are executing this program. This is the fastest way that we have got such an innovative program due to a strong and the able leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister. As you know, our dynamic health minister, sir, this institute is bouncing because of your dynamic leadership, and this is one feather in your cap as we go for a telemedical consultation from today. My two honorable members, Mr. Antonio Fernandez, for him Goa Medical College is his second home. Sir, I welcome you today formally to this institute. Mr. Francis Silvera, who is closely associated with Goa Medical College, and the college itself is in constituency. Sir, your presence has graced this occasion. I would also like to extend my welcome to Dheeraj Sharma, who has been working tirelessly with Goa Medical College team and the government of Goa to offer this digital platform. Mr. Atul ji, who is here, has been a close associate of Goa Medical College, and my colleague Dr. Ira Almeida, who is Director of Health Services, where we will be working together to execute this telemedicine program. As you are aware that in the COVID situation, we had a lot of patients losing their physical consultation to this premier institute, and almost approximately 2 years we did not have a great follow-up with our chronic patients. As a result, you must have seen that as we opened up our non-COVID OPDs, we were getting a lot of patients with stroke and delayed presentations of oncological problems. So I think in this present situation, such a facility will really come to an advantage of many of our patients who could talk to their doctors and take teleconsultation. I further feel that every nook and corner of Goa can be covered with this facility, and on behalf of all of you, I take this opportunity to thank Shri Nitin Gadkari ji for such a wonderful gesture to help this institution. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Dr. Bandekar, for this warm welcome. To make this moment still happier, may we now welcome all our guests with bouquet of flowers. May I now request Dr. Anuja Ganu Gadkari, Lecturer, Department of Microbiology, to welcome Honorable Union Minister Shri Nitin Gadkari ji. Dr. Celia, Department of Physiology, may I request you to welcome Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant ji. Dr. Prajot, again from Department of Physiology, please welcome Honorable Health Minister Shri Vishwajit Rane. May I request Ma'am Shivani, Occupational Therapist, to welcome Honorable Antonio Fernandez. Dr. Anucha is requested to welcome Honorable Shri Francisco Silvera. Dr. Celia is requested to welcome Health Secretary Shri Rajashekara. Dr. Prajot, please welcome Shri Atul Shirokar. Now, Shivani, please welcome Shri Dheeraj Sharma. Dr. Anuja is requested to welcome Dr. Bandekar. Dr. Celia is requested to welcome Dr. Ira. Thank you very much. I now request Shri Dheeraj Sharma, Founder Director, Medico Experts, to give an overall view about this project. Shri Dheeraj Sharma.
Honorable Nitin Gadkari ji, Honorable CM Pramod Sawant ji, Honorable Health Minister Vishjit Rani ji, respected MLA Shri Tony Fernandez, respected MLA Shri Francis Silveria, respected Health Secretary Shri Rajshekharan ji, Dean Dr. Pandekar ji, Dr. Ira, Atal ji, and all the respected audiences. First of all, greetings for the medical experts. This is the platform which is going to take GMC onto a very different level. Telemedicine has been very popular worldwide, but today this is the first time when any college or government institution is getting that kind of a facilities whereby the doctors are going to be available to the patients on touch of a button. And trust me, it's just not the patients, it's going to take even the Goa Medical College to a different league. Goa Medical College is really doing very well and already known as a good regional player. And today, ladies and gentlemen, is the day when we are putting this first step to take Goa Medical College to have international name and fame, and it will happen. By the virtue of this particular platform, what we are going to achieve is the decongestion of the tertiary care healthcare system. Which means what? Ladies and gentlemen, a day will come when the senior doctors of the Goa Medical College would be busy in doing some research and writing history on a daily basis for toughest of the cases of the world. The junior doctors or younger doctors, let me say, would be doing the cases and procedures which seniors are doing. The doctors of the primary healthcare centers would be playing the role of the secondary healthcare center, and there was going to be very whole shift both in the quality and the penetration of a healthcare infrastructure to all the hook and corners of Goa. Having said that, one more point I would like to highlight: Goa Medical College is the first government institute which is going to adopt this particular technology and roll out on this particular scale which is being talked about here. Ladies and gentlemen, this journey is possible just because we are having, I would say, torchbearer of innovation in India, Shri Nitin ji. Sir, in business community, we typically respect you for all the innovation ideas, your strategic thought process to solve any problem in this country. So your approach is always very difficult, and this is, I would say, the mentorship of Nitin Gadkari ji which pushes us to do and bring such kind of a solutions here. The forward-looking leadership of Honorable CM, Honorable HM of Goa, who could identify the potential benefits both for the hospital, for the GMC, as well as for the citizens of Goa. And this is possible definitely by the tremendous effort of Dean Sir and his team members. And Dr. Mahesh is one which I interact quite a lot and troubled him quite a lot. And last but not least, there's a gentleman sitting here, his name is Atul ji. His contribution to this particular project is tremendous in all facets of the thing, right from conceivement to bringing up to the execution level and including the financial one. So thanks all those who are in the dais to make this day happen, and I wish this particular milestone will take the GMC altogether in a very different league, and few years down the line GMC will be known as an institute of international name and fame. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Sharma. May I now request Honorable Health Minister, who is instrumental in bringing about several changes in the field of health in Goa, Honorable Shri Vishwajit Rane, that please express your thoughts.
Honorable Union Minister and our national leader, who I always look upon as a leader of innovation and of modern India, Shri Nitin Gadkari Sahib, Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, my colleagues, Shri Tony Fernandez, Shri Francis Silvera, Dean Goa Medical College, Secretary of Health, Shri Rajshekhar ji, Dean Goa Medical College, Dr. Bandekar, Health Services Director, Dr. Aira, Atul ji, Dheeraj ji, and the team behind the whole telemedicine project. It gives me, it's a proud moment for all of us that Gadkari Sahib is here today amongst us, and for this special project of telemedicine. Telemedicine we have all been speaking of, but all of us know the importance of telemedicine. But more than that, having a personality like that amongst us, who has virtually changed the backbone infrastructure of the state of Goa in terms of the road network or in providing large amount of infrastructure projects to this for the state of Goa, and the only person for having given thousands of crores, which will make Goa into a totally different state than what we have known Goa to be, with the amount of efforts he has taken in order to put us forward in terms of road linkages, networks, bridges. We cannot forget him for all that he's been doing for the state of Goa. And for me, it's a proud moment that he's here today amongst us in the Goa Medical College. And I really look upon him, like I always tell all of you, we have several functions I have here. We as a state government and as a small state, we have taken several initiatives. Recently, we were here together where we launched along with the Yuvraj Singh Foundation in order to take, the whole concept is to take healthcare to the doorsteps of the people. And how best we can do it. We had recently launched a project of iBreast, which tying up with Yuvraj Singh Foundation and SBI caps, they gave us under CSR, where we will be having a particular gadget, which is basically put up by young individuals and a startup, where we will be basically screening more than 1 lakh women over the next year and a half. Apart from that side, there are several initiatives, and I was just talking to, mentioning to Gadkari Sahib is that here under the PMSSY, in another month and a half, when I took over as the Health Minister, we started with the support of the Chief Minister and then Chief Minister Shri Manohar Parrikar and today's Chief Minister Shri Dr. Pramod Sawant ji, that we have been able to complete a large project of about 450 crores, which is yet to be inaugurated, though we have used it for COVID. That will be the largest project under PMSSY in the country. We have also got top specialists like Dr. Amit Mahadev and others who are already in the process of tying up with them so that they can start their independent departments of gastro and other specialities in this hospital and this premises, which will give a tremendous exposure and boost even to our students. The whole idea of taking healthcare to the doorstep, we have also tied up with HLL to bring about diagnostics and to help us in basically bringing and creating a hub and spoke model. Similarly, what Dheeraj ji said, all of us have used in bits and pieces during the pandemic. Pandemic has taught us differently to look at the whole scenario and whole healthcare scenario, and we learned a lot out of the pandemic. And that time we used special, small in bits and pieces like teleconsultation, call doc, and several other various companies basically, so that people could get online consultation and also could get their prescriptions after speaking to somebody. But today, when Gadkari Sahib's name is involved and when Gadkari Sahib says something or Gadkari Sahib initiates something, one should be very confident about what he's going to do and in terms of transforming the healthcare sector in the state of Goa. Today, what Dheeraj ji has just mentioned is that telemedicine and starting from Goa Medical College, this will not only boost the healthcare sector in the state of Goa, but also giving access to people for consultation. And also what we were discussing just in the morning, I was actually talking to Matulji, is that we really are looking forward to taking this forward, and also a hub and spoke model to be created in the second phase, where we will be having all these primary health centers, and our doctors from the health centers will be accessing this type of facilities and specialists, so that they are able to give better type of care to the people in the rural areas. I don't want to take much time. Sir has Gadkari Sahib has had a very busy schedule, inaugurations and several other programs all lined up today. But Sahib, I can assure you that the government, headed by the Chief Minister and all of us as a team, we have been trying our best to see what we can do, and our single concept in our mind is to see that everything is made accessible to the people at the doorstep and change the whole concept of healthcare. And I think Goa is leading by example, and large amount of projects that we have taken up even like newborn baby screening. And I also want to mention, Sahib, is that Goa is the only state where we also give not only insulin just for the patient, but also a total comprehensive care plan for the patient that we do. And we have tied up with a company called Novo Nordisk, which we are able to create. We have trained our staff so that we have food clinics and several other things in the rural areas, in the primary health centers, community health centers. So we have actually changed the whole definition of healthcare, changed the definition of a rural medical health dispensary, and our hospitals are way beyond what is expected in the country in terms of parameters that have been laid down, sir. And I would like to thank you, sir, for all the support that you have always given us, state, and we are really very grateful to have you here with us. It's an overwhelming moment for me as Health Minister to welcome you here in the Goa Medical College. Thank you so much for coming for today's function, Sahib, and we really look forward to this project taking off, and whatever support required by the Health Ministry will be given to them, Sahib, in order to take this forward. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. We are pleased to have with us our dynamic Chief Minister, who is working very hard for the development of Goa through every possible way in each and every field. May I request you, Honorable Dr. Pramod Ji Sawant, to express your thoughts on this very happy occasion.
The launch of telemedicine digital platform dedicated to the doctors and citizens of Goa, along with the GMC and Medico experts with the Chowrangi group of companies. आजच्या खासा सुवाळ्याक आमच्यामध्ये हजर आसात भारताचे आमचे नॅशनल हायवे मिनिस्टर माननीय श्री नितीन गडकरी जी, खास करून आतांच ज्यांच्यानी GMCतले वेगवेगळे इनोवेटिव्ह प्रोजेक्ट्स सतत फुडें व्हरपा खातीर गोंया खातीर वावुरता आमचे हेल्थ मिनिस्टर बाब विश्वजीत राणे, त्याच बरोबर व्यासपीठाचेर आशिल्ले आमचे टोनी फर्नांडीस, सिल्वेरा आणि ह्या मेडिको एक्सपर्ट्स कंपनीचे म्हजे मित्र बाब अतुल शिरोडकर आणि धीरज शर्मा, व्यासपीठाचेर आशिल्ले बाकीचे आमचे हेल्थ सेक्रेटरी, डीन ऑफ गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज, डायरेक्टर ऑफ हेल्थ सर्विसीस, म्हणजे समोर वेगवेगळे डायरेक्टर ऑफ हेल्थ सर्विसीसचे वेगवेगळे PHC, CSCचे स्टाफ आसात, GMCचे सगळे प्रोफेसर्स आसात आणि मोगाळ म्हणजे भुरग्या सगळ्या डॉक्टर्स भाव आणि भयणानो, खास करून आज मुद्दामून दोन गजाली हांव मेन्शन करता. बाब नितीन गडकरी जी गोंयांत आयिल्ले मिसिंग लिंक ह्या प्रोजेक्टाचें उक्तावण करपाक आणि सांगपा खातीर खूब खोस भोगता. गोंया खातीर तांच्या टेन्युअरांतल्यान जवळपास 12,000 कोटी रुपया तांच्यांनी ह्या इन शॉर्ट स्पॅन तांच्यांनी गोंयाक दिले. बट जस्ट आमी हायवे वयल्यान सकयल देंवता म्हणजे इतके इनोवेटिव्ह तकलेंतल्यान ते सदोदीत सांगत आसता. म्हाका सहज म्हणपा लागलें, प्रमोद हे कंजेस्टेड कित्याक काय म्हणपा लागले इतके, आनी येनाच फुडें हेल्थ मिनिस्टराक विचारलें हे इतके कंजेस्टेड कित्याक, हो अंडरपास कित्याक, हे सगळें कंजेशन तुवें कित्याक करून दवरला काय म्हणून. हांवें म्हणलें सर खूब पयलीं केल्लें, हांवें करूं ना म्हटलें. ते म्हणलें डिजायनींग करता आसतना खंय तरी चुकलां आसतलें. तूं एक काम कर म्हणपा लागलें, हेजो डिजायन परत एकदां काड आनी आमकां हायवे वयल्यान सकयल कशें देंवपाक मेळटलें पळय न्ही तें पळय. डॉक्टर्स आनी भुरग्यांक कोणाकूच त्रास जावपाक जायना, जेणे करून हें कंजेशन सगळें सॉल्व जावपाक जाय. इतकी काळजी ते बऱ्या पद्दतीन घेता आनी निश्चितच म्हाका दिसता आमच्या फुडल्या टेन्युअरांत हो प्रोजेक्ट जो आसा होय आमी हांगासर सुरवात करतले. सर आपल्याला हा प्रोजेक्ट पण लवकरात लवकर आम्हाला सँक्शन करून द्यावा लागेल आणि नक्कीच इतलं सगळं कंजेशन राहिलेलं पण दूर होईल. हांव उलयता आसतना खास करून आमकां टेलिमेडिसिन्स ह्या प्रोजेक्टाक एक 15 ते 20 दीस पयलीं बाब अतुल शिरोडकर हांच्यांनी सांगलो की टेलिमेडिसिन्स हो प्रोजेक्ट आमी गोंयांत सुरवात करपाक शकता. हांवें आमचे हेल्थ मिनिस्टर बाब विश्वजीत राणे हांच्या कडेन फक्त आयडिया शेअर केली आणि त्यांच्यानी विदीन ए शॉर्ट स्पॅन ऑफ टायम आमचे गोवा मेडिकलचे डॉक्टर्स, डायरेक्टर ऑफ हेल्थ सर्व्हिसेसचे डॉक्टर्स, द डीन, they have taken the initiatives and whatever the required infrastructure. First time this project we are doing without spending the single pay from the government under the CSR by the Chaurangi group of companies. हांच्या पुराय CSR एक्टिविटींतल्यान आमी हो प्रोजेक्ट करता. जरी आमी ट्रायल बेसिसचेर एका वर्सा खातीर प्रोजेक्ट करता आसत जाल्यार definitely the Apex Institute of the Goa Medical College, which will connect to our district hospital, which will connect to our the primary health center, and it will connect directly to the patients. The first step म्हणजे स्टेप बाय स्टेप जे आमचे कनेक्ट डायरेक्ट म्हणजे हातूंतल्यान डॉक्टरांचोय टायम वाचतलो, हातूंतल्यान पेशंटाचोय टायम वाचतलो आणि ताज्याय पेक्षा म्हत्वाचें जें आसा इट इज एन अर्ली डायग्नोसीस आनी अर्ली ट्रिटमेंट. ही जी बेगिनात बेगीन जातली हितूंतल्यान आमी सगळे जाण लायफ सेव करपाक शकतले. डेफिनेटली हो प्रोजेक्ट डिपेंड आसा हो अपेक्स इन्स्टिट्यूट गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजच्या सगळ्या कन्सल्टंटांचेर. तुमी सगळे जाण हो प्रोजेक्ट एक आपलो प्रोजेक्ट म्हणून फुडें व्हरतले. हातूंतल्यान फायदो सगळ्या गोंयकारांक. म्हाका दिसता खास करून गांवांतले लोक जे आसा जे GMC पर्यंत येवपाक जे कोविडांतल्या काळांत खूब भिताले आनी बरेचशे फावटी आमी म्हणटाले की कोवीड सोड की बाकीच्याय डिसिजांनी खातीर तांच्यांनी फॉलोअपा खातीर येवपाक पावले ना, फॉलोअपा खातीर गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजी कडेन येवपाक पावले ना. म्हणूनय बी जी कॉम्प्लिकेशन्स जाली आनी तातूंतूय बी काही लोकांचो जीव गेलो आसतलो. पण हाज्या फुडें म्हणजे केदी व्हडली महामारी जरी आयली जाल्यार टेलिमेडिसीन सारकिले प्रोजेक्ट निश्चितच रित्या गोंयांतल्या समिस्त लोकांक हाजो फायदो जातलो. ताचे कन्सल्टेशन्स हांगासर बसून वाळपय आसतले, काणकोण आसतले, पेडणे आसतले, हांच्या कडेन जर कनेक्ट जालो जाल्यार निश्चितच हाचो खूब मोठ्या प्रमाणात फायदो हो पयली म्हणजे गोंयकारांक जातलो आनी नेक्स्ट गोंयांत येवपी प्रत्येक ट्युरिस्ट आसतलो, बाकीचे सगळे लोक आसतले हांच्याय खातीर खूब मोठ्या प्रमाणात जावपाक शकता. निश्चितच आयच्या ह्या दिसा ह्या इनोव्हेटीव पद्दतीन माननीय श्री नितीन गडकरीजी हांच्या तकलेंतल्यान हांच्या हेल्पांतल्यान पयलीच फावटी टेलिमेडिसीन मेडिको एक्सपर्ट हांच्यांनी हो प्रोजेक्ट नागपुरात स्टार्ट केलो आनी सांगपाक खूब खोस भोगता की पुराय देशांतले आमी पयले राज्य आसतले ज्याच्या अपेक्स इन्स्टिट्यूटांतल्यान हो प्रोजेक्ट जो आसा पुराय स्टेटी खातीर लागू करपी हे पयले राज्य आसतले, मॉडल राज्य आसतले आनी निश्चितच हो प्रोजेक्ट हाज्याय फुडें आमी खूब बऱ्या पद्दतीन चलोवपाक शकतले. तुमचे सगळ्यांचे सहकार्य जर हेका लाभलें जाल्यार निश्चितच पुराय गोंयांक हाजो फायदो जावपाक शकतलो. उलयता आसतना एक 2-3 गजालीचेर फक्त मेन्शन करता. म्हाका खबर आसा तुमी सगळे जाण जेयले आसतले तशें धरता. आमी जेवंक ना, आमी अजून हाजो अर्थ तुमी उपाशी आसा, आमी उपाशी आसा. एनी हाव चड वेळ उलयना ताच्या खातीर. पण हांव समेस्त म्हज्या सगळ्या दोतोरांचे ज्यांच्यांनी कोवीड मॅनेजमेंटात म्हणजे गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज पासून तर लास्ट पर्यंत ज्यांच्यांनी सगळ्यांनी खूब मोठ्या प्रमाणात कोवीड मॅनेजमेंटा खातीर आपलो टायम दिलो, आपल्या रिस्क घेवन टायम दिलो, त्या सगळ्यांचे खूब खूब हांव आभार व्यक्त करता हीच संद घेवन. आणि त्याच बरोबर वॅक्सिनेशन खातीर 100% वॅक्सिनेशन करपा खातीर गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज पासून डायरेक्टर ऑफ हेल्थ सर्व्हिसीस ह्या सगळ्या स्टाफांनी 100% वॅक्सिनेशन करपा खातीरूय बी तुमचो टायम दिलो, तुम्ही मोटिवेट केले, 100% वॅक्सिनेशन पुराय केलें. माननीय पंतप्रधान नरेंद्र मोदीजी हांच्यांनी तुमच्या वॅक्सिनेशना खातीर कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन केलाच केला. पण आमकां सेकंड डोस वॅक्सिनेशनचो 100% वॅक्सिनेशन पुराय करपाक जाय आनी ताची डेट आमी परत एकदां आमच्या डायरेक्टर ऑफ हेल्थ सर्व्हिसीसान डिसायड केल्या. त्या प्रमाणे ती 15 नोव्हेंबर आसा. ती डेट आमी अचीव करपा खातीर सगळे जाण परत एकदां कामाक लागतले. आयच्या दिसाच्यो आनी टेलिमेडिसिन्स ह्या प्रोजेक्टाच्यो स्पेशली फॉर द गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज आनी मेडिको एक्सपर्ट्स ह्या दोगांयकूय खूब खूब कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स. दिस लॉंग रन टायअप ऑफ द गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज आनी मेडिको एक्सपर्ट्स हो खूब लॉंग रन चलतलो आनी ताचो खूब फायदो सगळ्या गोंयकारांक जातलो. एकच सांगता म्हजी 2 उतरां पुराय करता. देव बरें करूं.
Thank you very much, Honorable Chief Minister. We are indeed privileged to have amongst us Honorable Union Minister who has been keen and pioneer of various innovations, a visionary personality and a man of principles throughout his political career, Shri Nitin Gadkari ji, to enlighten us with your thoughts. Shri Nitin Gadkari ji.
Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Health Minister, who is very important for health services, and at a time of COVID, he really contribute, or particularly in the crucial time, to the people of Goa. Our Health Minister, Mr. Rane, all MLAs, dignitaries, respectable dignitaries and dear friends. First of all, we are very sorry. We are coming 2 hours late. It is very unfortunate. I am making my apology for that. The health service is very important for the country and for the people. And particularly the taking technology to the people is really very, very important. The innovation, entrepreneurship, science, technology, research, skilled and successful practices. We name it as a knowledge. And conversion of knowledge into wealth is the future for the country. Particularly I am from Nagpur, Vidarbha area of Maharashtra, where we are facing crucial problem. Because in Vidarbha we have Gadchiroli district, supposed to be the capital of Naxalites. The size of the district is 2 times more than Goa, probably 3 times more than Goa. And total area forest area. And as a social work we are doing Ekal Vidyalaya. Atul is also the trustee of the trust. And we have the trust Lakshmanrao Mankar Memorial Trust. And now 25 students are the students and 25,000 students we have for Ekal Vidyalaya and 1800 teachers. We are not taking any grant from the government. And in that area particularly the people are socially, economically, educationally backward. And this is the time that because of the COVID, the people were facing very, very crucial problem. For taking patient from Gadchiroli district to Nagpur, it takes at least 6 to 7 hours. And that was one of the reasons that we are trying our level best to find out some solution for that. Actually, Atul take the initiative and giving me the suggestion that we can use the technology and we can give relief to the poor people of the area. And that is exactly the inspiration and motivation behind all these things. Telemedicine digital platform is one of the important platforms whereby taking the help of technology and particularly the medical experts, we can give relief to the poor people and those who don't have the facility, particularly the health facility. So using of this technology for the people is very, very important. And today it is a great pleasure and satisfaction for me that with the initiative of Honorable Chief Minister and Health Minister, you are now giving this facility to the people of Goa. And that is the reason I am giving my special thanks to the Chief Minister, Health Minister and all competent authorities being involved in this project. Particularly in the time of pandemic, that was a very crucial period. And again request you one thing, the cost of medicine is very high. At that time actually we have taken decision in Nagpur to manufacture Remdesivir in Varna. And now we have successfully supplying Remdesivir to the country. We reduce the cost. Then again we have given the permission for making injection for fungus. Again we have a surplus production. We are giving it to the whole country. It is very important that we are never asking the cost of production to anybody, because it is the right and privilege for him to decide the cost. One of the friends was telling me, don't ask the circulation of the paper to any editor or the owner of the paper. Don't ask age or to any film actress because she will never give you true answer. And don't question any industrialist about the costing of the product. But the problem is that, particularly in the medical profession, medicine cost is very, very high. We need to have more competition, and for that reason we need to have genetic medicine by reducing the rate. In the health sector, to create appropriate facility for the poor people. At the same time, availability of the medicine is equally important. So by using technology, we can give relief to the people by and large. That is exactly the use of this telemedicine digital platform. And it's really a good initiative. Our experience in Nagpur was very good. I'm really happy that Honorable Chief Minister and Health Minister both are taking initiative to start this platform in Goa. Goa, actually, again, I'm giving you my special best wishes to all of you, because as far as the vaccination is concerned, you have already break the record. It is really a great thing for the country, and I'm giving my special thanks to all of you, all doctors, officers, secretary, your director, and all doctors and nurses who are contributing for that. And really, regarding the reputation of this hospital is also very good. I know that in the crucial time, once I also phoned to the dean of this college, because one of my friend, his relative was facing crucial problem. And that was really a very, very problematic situation. I remember the shortage of oxygen. We use Air Force plane and taking empty truck into the plane and taking it to Visakhapatnam and again fill it by oxygen and taking it back to Nagpur. In the total Vidarbha area, we are supplying oxygen to some part of Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, and there was a crucial shortage of oxygen. The first time now we have started a lot of project taking oxygen, making oxygen from air. That is the need of the hour. And first we understand what is the problem. We are not adequate facilities. And that is the reason that we should give the first priority for health services. And I am really happy that the Goa government under the leadership of Pramod Sawant and also the health minister, they are doing excellent jobs. I am giving my special thanks to all of you, and I am really happy that with the cooperation of particularly expert doctors, only this project can be successful.